buy some dope, make the nigga turn when I start to get in and out. Pay up in my onions just to blow his motherfucking brains out.